Good morning, Tutor Edith. My name is Amparo Oviedo. I'm from Group Theory. This is my TASK2, my math and explanatory video. I developed this my math summary with main topics of course references. The main topic is using technology in foreign language teaching. These are three second topics: advantages, other benefits, and disadvantages. I'll begin with advantages. This technology enrich topic presentation style, also improve the communicative skills and increasing language retention. I think the most important advantage is learning takes place out claro, anywhere and anytime. It's better because people can learn four languages and work in the same time. Other benefits: integration technology in curriculum and increased e-learners with virtual learning platforms like Moodle, and now the easy access to the mobile device like a cell phone, tablet, laptop allows the acquisition of knowledge. Now about disadvantages. It requires solid infrastructure and a teacher with expertise in use of ICT, fast in internet connection, and teaching training in the use of ICT. Other disadvantage is generation divide between students as digital natives and teachers as centered in traditional teaching system. In other words, some authors say is generation barrier. Thanks so much. These are the reference of course.